Making a game is not that much hard until you make it in your phone. And yes, you heard that right. You can make games in your phone nowadays with the help of Godot. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the reality on making games in your phone and ask you guys whether to start a series where you can learn make games on this piece of shit. Genuinely, when I started game dev, I didn't have a PC. And I can feel the pain of people who just want to beat the shit out of Unity. But for now, let's just stick to Godot. The biggest problem to face in using Godot engine in your phone will be navigating across the editor. So to make that easy for you guys, you're going to need an ODG and a mouse. So these are three things that you're going to need. The one is an ODG, the second is a mouse, and the third is obviously your phone. So you're going to take the ODG and put it in your USB port, and then the USB port in your phone. Then after you try the mouse, you would see that it doesn't work.
Hell no, man.
It's because you haven't opened the OTG settings on your mobile phone. So in your phone, you have to go to settings and then search for the OTG. Click on this first option and then enable the OTG. And now you can see that your cursor is on. Please remember that your main focus should be on learning the editor and building the game, not on making money and becoming a billionaire. Yeah, you can barely run the engine on your phone and you're thinking of adding ads and publishing it to Play Store. You'll be able to publish it on itch.io, but for Play Store, it's a long shot. And now, I just want to ask you guys a simple question which you can answer in the comment.
Yeah, boy.
Should I make a course on building a game in your mobile phone with the help of Godot? If yes, should I upload episode every week or should I just stream it live every week? Or just upload an 1 hour long video in 2 to 3 months? I really need your answer in the comments. And for that, thank you for watching and goodbye.